And I don't want to hear any more about being rushed. Thank you.
Representative Woods.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. All right, I won't talk about how we're being rushed. Let's talk about what we're not talking about. What brought us here in the first place? Our economy has changed, and dare if I use the E word here, our economy has evolved. And the way that we pay for our society has not changed and evolved with it. And instead, I feel like we made some mistakes that we have not rectified. Back in 2003, we reduced the income tax rate for those who make the most money in this state from 11% down to 6.9%, which is what I pay. That has dampened our revenue stream by hundreds of millions of dollars over the past 15 years. And we refused to change that in the last regular session. I think that was a mistake. Even though state taxes are, you can write those off against your federal returns, we refused to do anything about that. We made a mistake, and we didn't deal with that during this session. Our economy has shifted. More money is being pulled into the medical sector than ever before. We haven't done anything about that. We have to do something about that. Recognize that that's a problem. This is an issue. We're not dealing with it in this special session. We didn't deal with it in the last session. And until we deal with these issues, we are going to continue to have this problem. And we will continue to have the weakest members, most vulnerable members of our society suffer for it. And that's the part that bothers me the most. It is unjust the way that we are running our society right now. Those who have the most are getting more and more control of our government. At our federal level, it's happening, and we have the ability as a body to do something about it, though, here. We do, but we're not doing that.